Yeah. POV type shit. Hell yeah, twin. Now, these niggas got the GoPro for this hoe. You feel me? Let me see. Nah, this shit lit. What? I hope it's getting good and all that shit. Yeah, we'll figure that shit out eventually, nigga. But for right now, nah, you go. For right now, this gonna be the first POV. And it's pouring outside, nice rainy day. Yo, E46 POV type shit. Ooh, my fault. I'll be back in a little bit, baby. I'll be right back. Feel me? Look at the wagon, bro. That shit looks so nice, bro. Sound nice as fuck, that ass stuff. Alright, we back in the talk. Safety first one. What got into you? I got the money, but the baddest bitch doing right now. I let it. I got all that money, so 5 years old, nigga. I let it rock. Yo, fat hair when I land on the side. For the way I'm getting now, it's hard to tell me about. I can't say too much, cause no cock can give it time. Trapping ain't figures, boy, you need to get a job. All this on my hands, that's why I don't play cards. But let me pour it in your mouth. My jacket palm angel, my shorts Balenciaga. My boys in all black. You think I play for dollars? My gang so coming. I treat it like a dog. She act like I ain't do nothing wrong to her. I fell in front of her. I'm pulling on the front of her. I hit the strip club. I'm too rich, I don't belong in there. I got that motherfucking money in my hand right now, nigga. We'll be in there for like 5 minutes. Type shit that happened in the POV, you feel me, bruh? You know, normal shit. Random fucking rainstorm in a fucking summer. Niggas love New York for no reason, bro. New York is shit. Especially upstate. That's crazy, bro. I'm fucking handicapped. I don't know, think about it. True, false. Pretty sure.